Welcome to the other half of the makerspace. This is where a lot of burning and sanding and cutting happens. What I wanted to show you was kind of a supersized version of the sanding stick. So each one of these are a board with different kinds of sandpaper on them. Mostly they're stapled. Some of them have a sticky back, and I've peeled the back off and stuck it to the board. These are sanding belts. If you go to the like a cabinet shop, they'll probably have some extra old sanding belts that are worn to them, but they're not worn for what we're doing. So this particular one was two different smaller sanding belts. They're stapled onto a board. And what you would do is put your piece down on the table, or I'm on my knees. This one is a coarse, and this one is fine. So you can sand your piece with the coarse and then bring it over to the finer sanding block and smooth it off. So this is three large craft sticks. This is a knee brace for a shelf, but this is edge banding, and this is a handle. So you take a board. This block, or this sandpaper here, happens to be what you would peel and stick and put it on steps so that you don't slide. But it also makes for the really rough start of sanding some rough material. You can see how the sawdust is collected in the grooves of the sandpaper, and often that can be wire brushed out. So this is just another sample of making tools in schools. Also, the larger sanding stick allows you to work the whole piece at once in different directions, so you don't work grooves into it. And Joey wants to be part of the show as well. This is nasty ball. But anyhow, sanding sticks turned supersized.